Okay guys, we got this 2023 Tesla Model 3. I'm going to show you how to remove this door panel right here. We're doing the passenger door, but the driver and passenger door are both the same. So you're going to need either a flathead screwdriver or a pick of some sort, a Torx T30 size. So you have 3 T30 screws, Torx. First one is right there. Second one is right down here underneath the armrest. The third one is right over here on top of the armrest. So once you remove those 3, you can just pop this out. Usually what I do to pop it out is I grab it right here and pull out. It may not want to come out, so you may have to put some kind of hard plastic piece in here and pry it out while you pull it, but that's usually how it comes off. Okay, so I popped that off and got that T30 screw out on the side. There's one more up here under the armrest, so we're going to remove that. So that's 3 total screws. So what you want to do with this, there's a bunch of clips holding it in. You can get something flat like this and pull it out from there. Some things gonna just pop off. Here's the clips. That one's missing right there. But from there you can get to the speaker, the motor for the window. You can remove the side view mirror and then also the regulator and all that stuff. So that's how you get there. If you want to remove this door panel, pop this piece out, remove that, and then you can disconnect this light right there, and then these can be disconnected, and the last one is right there, and we got one more right here to the speaker. So that's the wiring harness, how to disconnect it. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Again, you're going to be using a T30 and then hopefully a plastic pry piece to pry this piece off. But thanks for watching.